Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today I am going to apply a hot oil hair treatment to my hair. This is really good for damaged hair. It helps tame frizzy hair. So it's a really good chemical-free hair treatment that you can do at home for very, very little money. You can use any oil you want. I use coconut oil because it's what I've always used. I've never had any issues with coconut oil. It's white and clear, so I know it's not going to stain my hair, and I just love coconut oil. All you will need is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you have shorter hair, you can use 1 tablespoon. I use 2 tablespoons because my hair is really long. You need a small towel like this, a shower cap. I use these disposable shower caps that I bought at Walmart for less than $5. And something to warm your coconut oil in. I put my 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in this container and I warmed up water in the microwave for about 30-40 seconds. And I stuck my oil in there and I left it in there for 5 minutes until it melted. So right now the coconut oil is nice and warm. You don't want to microwave coconut oil because if you overheat it, it could destroy its health benefits. And we want all those good nutrients to be soaked up into our hair. So I use water to warm up my coconut oil. That way I know I'm not overheating the coconut oil. Make sure you put a towel underneath you because you might drip a little and you don't want to get your floors all oily. And make sure you are using a top that you don't mind getting stained because the oil could stain your clothing. You can do this with your hair damp or dry. I like to apply it to my hair when it's dry. So I'm just going to start down at the bottom and just massage it into my hair. I'm going to put my hair all to one side so I can get it done all at once. And all you're doing is just working that oil into your hair, making sure that you get every single strand of hair coated with the oil. I'm going to continue doing this all the way up until I reach my scalp. And once I get to my scalp, I'm going to give it a nice little massage. Gently massage your scalp and don't push too hard. Use the tips of your fingers to massage it in. I've reached the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is just gently massage the oil into my scalp. It's oiling up the scalp along with your hair. And if you want, you can either use a comb or your fingers and just kind of run your fingers down the length of your hair just to make sure that it's been evenly distributed. My hair is super oiled up right now. Once you are done oiling up your hair, you're going to put on the shower cap. There we go. So you're going to grab your hot towel that's been soaked in hot water and just wrap it around your head. So that way you can seal in that heat and warm up the hot oil a little more. So we're just going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to hop into the shower, shampoo, and lightly condition my hair. And I'm going to let my hair dry, and then I'll come back on camera. So I'll see you in a little bit. I am back. My hair is dry, and this is the final result. My hair is really smooth, soft, silky. This hot oil treatment is just amazing. This smooths your hair out and makes it really soft and manageable. It's not greasy. Give this hot oil treatment a try, and hopefully it will make your hair as soft and smooth and silky as mine. And let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.